Hey y'all, it's T and welcome back to my channel. So today I came out to Tjmaxx to look for a wooden cutting board, but as soon as I stepped in the door, this huge Valentine's Day display was sitting right there. So I want to go through it just to see what's on it and to see if it's anything there that I may be able to use, and to also show you guys what my store has so you may be able to go out and check your stores for the same or similar items.
Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, nah, nah, now. Oh, nah, nah, now. For love or pity, let me know. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, 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 we ain't got the time.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. situation, they be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, 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 no drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, no drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation, but what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, 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 no drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, no drama, yeah, yeah.
How long has it been since I kissed you? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since you held me? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since I felt like this about anything? I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. How long do we have to put up with this lonely charade? As long as I know that I'm winning, I play this game, but I want you close, baby, right now. I know you feel the same. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. Ooh, when you put your arms around me, we go flying into ecstasy. Ooh, I can feel our bodies trembling. Feel my adrenaline increasing. You make me feel that way. You have me in every way. You take me higher. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. How long has it been since I felt you? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since you felt me? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since we felt like this about anything? I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. Ooh, when you put your arms around me, we go flying into ecstasy. Ooh, I can feel our bodies trembling. Feel my adrenaline increasing. You make me feel that way. You have me in every way. You take me higher. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. You make me feel that way. You have me in every way. You take me higher. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more.
Every day I see
Miserable people doing things they hate just to fit in. I know it's easier to get along peacefully, but have you ever thought about you? Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on a Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money when you can get rich for trying to see the. So I wanted to show you guys the items that I did pick up before I head out of the store. I did pick up this small natural colored cutting board. It's priced at $6.99. And then I also picked up this bigger rectangular shaped cutting board that was priced at $12.99. I love the color of this one. I hope these go in my space like I want them to. If not, I will have to return them, unfortunately, but in the store I love them. And I also picked up these storage containers because I am working on getting my refrigerator organized, so that video will be coming up soon as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.